I was just excited to see the old buildings and the castles and stuff. It was really pretty.
I enjoyed seeing the bagpipers, and it was really pretty, their cultural dresses and the skirts and all. It was very fascinating, so yeah, I love seeing that.
The program looked great. I like how there's many different people with lots of different backgrounds who I can share stories with.
I think my favorite thing was just kind of all the shops we walked by, and like they all seem so cool, and just seeing like all the places I can go this week, and you know, I just thought that was cool, kind of walking through the city.
I enjoyed seeing the view of Edinburgh. I've enjoyed seeing the mountains. I chose to go to Edinburgh Summer School because I want to go abroad for college. Edinburgh is one of the places I might apply to, so I wanted to see what it's like, see what the space is like, seeing what the dorms are like.
I'm really excited because I've heard a lot about this university. I was really excited about coming to the park and having lunch and just mostly meeting new people.
I wanted to meet new friends and practice my English and learn.
I want to go to uni here. I want to come to the university, and I just wanted to see what it actually is like here, and I'm so far having a really good time.